Kinamanua, gamutan biru. Wasana kanturang na tuimadua tamutal kinruta.
Wow! Oi!
Matak sa kanta, ito na matak. Kurung. Matakalain na rin itu. Ito, ako sa tuwin, doon din mo sa akin nakaskay. Sarang kayo sa tuwin, hindi ba? Kamu na nga. Ay batek sa atin ni nandun na yung kona. Liliwali. Siw-siw. Sa alam mo turang sa atin na naluman yung team. Naluman yung matalibaw. Ang Bati ni Mama. Siw-siw sa taliting amay. Inamatang boss. Di Fiji National Rugby League. At ito, dami mo sa atin na naluman yung bay mo. E ne vei dintak sa mayroon dito.
Sinawalew.
Balang sa atin na boss. Di ka muna nga. Ngayon ko na nisip-sip waturan. So sa oras sa atin, lagi kinamatin tu. Wasang munturan na Christian na namunua. Tabu-tabu, wasang munturan na. Tui, maduwata. Matake munturan na kenulur. Ya tu yun.
Sa nuguma sumena no mundo na dasara pati kim do na dangin do no mundo rolako do no tu no mundo rolako do lako ne nanganga do lingita nanganga sirita itu na mawa sirita itu na bosamuri do lako na ala ngalawa na seri kena ala ngalawa ke wa do na ka wa lomo tao tikim do tu do bitu me kibiau do lako na ngalawa do lingito do maro tagam do gi do bori tagabi kibem na kibiti kim do na bati tira kibiti Yung satu warau na nememi masulaki kena nom dui mata ho vale kena sana wa kele bagi kemni kena so kem do chiko ndo na ngole ani to na ngole na nganga to na lesme na nganga so mutu na nanda do wata tu na singini kuwa da beba turang ate tu mandanga nonda wata tu mandanga nganga tu mandanga timini Bati mana First of all, let me welcome the new management. I've heard you've just spent a few days in office, and congratulations on your new appointment. And I hope that you will bring changes, and you will take Fiji Rugby League to another level. I know it's a challenge, but then again, sport is always a very difficult industry in Fiji. But with a good team, combined team, who knows about leadership and management, I have much faith, and I'm confident that you will take Fiji Rugby League to another level. And with those words, I welcome you, and again, just to let you know that you will always have the support of the President's office in anything supporting the Rugby League, and also you have yet to come to Honolulu. I just have to be honest. Rugby League is quite popular here in Vitilevu, but I want you to come to Honolulu. There are some giants there yet to be seen, and I hope you take rugby. I think I met a few in Lambasa last week. They were in Lambasa to celebrate Fiji Day, and I hope league is going to be also a prominent sport in Honolulu. Because for tele is enough. I think we don't have to go television, but slimbau. Arutana kaimbau lingito. We want to see some Honolulu too there. But anyway, to the team, first of all, thank you and welcome to the State House. I see very familiar faces here, recognizable faces, and I welcome you home. Welcome, Gerald. He's my WhatsApp is my from Maduata. Yeah. Tikumbia boy there. Yeah. Good to see you, boy. Good to see you here. I've always said, my journey here, I did not expect to be sitting in this chair one day. Not in my wildest dream. I was just some normal guy, came cutter from Uno level, went through the life, went through USP and all that. But it was the challenges and the upbringing that I went through and the people that I made me who I am to be here today. And something that I did not even expect, but the training that I had and the people that I was associated with, I believe that were part of this journey of me. So for you gentlemen sitting here and looking at me today, we all come from different backgrounds. Some are villagers, some are born from overseas, you live life overseas. Like Fiji, you all interacted with other communities. But there was something in you that nobody saw. But only you yourself, you felt it. That you were one day, that you were going to be someone who's going to be recognized, someone who's going to turn heads in life. And for that passion that you concentrated on, that you felt, this is what I will do on your own, and this is how far you have gone. Even though we may have challenges along the way, we have challenges, but you did not deter you from it. You had your ups and downs in life. Sometimes were thrown to the gutter, yet you got up. And that's how rugby league players should be. And that is how life should be. And that is how we face life. For us to be successful in life, that is what we do. If you fall 7 times, get up 10 times. Keep that spirit in you going. And the Fiji Bati, even the Bati is something else. When you talk about Bati, the Fijian text, it's a different matter altogether. And sometimes Bati need to be controlled. Because when that fighting spirit goes, I don't know how to stop them. But I know you have been mentally trained, physically trained, and spiritually enriched to be part of this team, this journey, to come and represent Fiji. That is your calling and a blessing to us. We, your family, your supporters, your fellow Fijians, we are always here for you. It doesn't matter how high you go, or even how low you go, even if during all the different challenges that you may face, we will always be there for you. And if there's something that I will share with you today, don't ever worry about what other people say, because that's typical Fijian. That's who we are. That's part of the Pacific world. We gossip, we catch everybody, we don't look at the strength, we look at the weakness. That's part of our life. But it has a meaning, I say. As, they do that for us because we all come from islands. Because if you have a weakness, they share a weakness, they talk about it, but you have to find a way to get stronger, to survive. We are the survivors. A few weeks ago, we had the United Nations General Assembly. Had some violence. I usually tell people, we are from the last frontier. We are from the Pacific. For us, it's the oceans, something that we will protect, we can die for. No one can take this from us. If you have any Fijian blood in you must remember that. Someone said, no one comes into our house and tells us what to do. We tell them what to do, because this is our home, and this is the home of the Bati. Look at how the legend, look at the stories of how we occupied these lands. Where we came from. I've always said we were 3 groups of people: the Melanesians, the Polynesians, the Micronesians. We all came. We followed the currents of the oceans that took us from the east, and then the Micronesian brothers left us there. The Northern Pacific, the Marianas, they came down, and then the Polynesians, and then we came down, the Melanesians. So we're still one. We may have different skin, we have different language, but we still have the same tradition and culture. We are related through the oceans and through traditions and culture. We are related. We have connections. And when we look at sports, Look at the sport. All of you Pacificans are dominating sports all over the world. When we go to the sea, we are all there. So that's something that tells us that we are unique. We are a special kind of people that brings hope, that takes messages to the world. When these two gentlemen sitting here, when they were playing, they said, that's he's a pigeon. So everybody, that guy's a Tongan or Samoan. You know, look at when the games are played in your own clubs. It's a different atmosphere. But when you come to this place, to be honest, it's a different game altogether. So, on your journey, when you leave this compound, this office, to go and continue your training, I always have few reminders, I would say, to all the teams that come here. You know, all of us, we do have problems. And we do have some things in us that we cannot share with anyone, only you and God knows. And sometimes those things that kind of, you know, in the middle of the game, it comes to mind. Or you see someone, or you hear something, automatically it takes your concentration off. I'd ask that you leave it here with me, and then go as Bati. Leave everything here. Leave here as Bati. Go and come back. And come and take a problem and try and solve that problem before you leave. But for the time being, during this cup challenge, leave everything here with me and go as Bati. So it is my praise that you will go as Bati and you will come back with glory like a true Bati. Dolako dolingito, do kolongo atandonganga. Unawali.